Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Today's video is all about how to create a standard multi-purpose crypto website that has all the necessary features for you to start your business up to date. Now if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my videos. Now let me just show you guys the user section. Now you can see we've already gotten figures and you can see how it's being displayed. So this is the mobile section. In the mobile setup, you can see how it is. It's very unique and nice. So let me just take this back to the desktop version. Now you can see how it is. It has so many features that you won't be able to comprehend. It has connect wallet. It has an advanced information that you need to start up your business. So if you want to see how we're able to compile and set up this wonderful website, please stick to the second segment of this video. See you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is the second segment of this video section on how to install your TradeX multi-purpose mining website. Now I'm using Hostinger for this video section. So if you're new to Hostinger, this is the H panel. Now if you're using C panel, this is the same environment setup. So the very first thing you do is go to File Manager. Now you can see my domain is empty. So once you come to File Manager, go to public_HTML or your add-on domain. Now go to Upload. Now select my file. So this is my zip file. I'll click on the zip and click what's open. Now you can see it's uploading. So guys, I've created my company email. So just go to email account and create a company email. It's very easy. It shows to save your information on your notepad. And also I've created my database information, which is also easy to do. If you're using cPanel, you're sure to click on all privileges after you've created your database username and password. So I'll go to my PHP admin while my file is being uploaded. So I'll go to my database name. I'll go to import. So I'll choose my file. This is my database, and I'll click what open. So I'll click what import. Good. Now you can see my database has been imported successfully. So I'll go back to my public_HTML. My file has been uploaded also successfully. So what you just have to do next is extract this. You right click and you extract. I'm creating a folder because I'm using Hostinger. Then go to the folder name. Go to this other folder and highlight all. Then move this to your main domain name or your public_HTML. So I'll go down to the folder and delete this folder. Good. Now the next section here is you go to controls. Then you go to config. You go to config.php. You edit this. So once you edit this, you come down to go back to your notepad. Copy your DB name. Then I'll paste my DB name here. Now copy that for your username. Then I'll go back to my notepad and copy my password. So ensure to paste them in the right section. Good. So after you've done this, just click word save. So I'll go back from this section. Go back to my public_HTML. So I'll go to my domain name and reload the section. You can see, so it works on 7.4 and above. So this is the home page section, which is nice, as you can see. And the next section is the admin section. So to get your admin, to be your domain name, domain name /admin. You get it? Your domain name /admin. So to get this admin information, go to phpMyAdmin, go to admin, and you can see this is it. This is your admin username and password. Once you edit this section, so how to change this is you just change the information but do not encrypt the password. After you've done that, click go. Let me just show you guys. So I'll change the email and also the password. You can also change this admin name. Let me just put admin and admin big. And I'll click what go. So I'll go back to my admin login. So this is my admin information. Now I'll put in my password. Then I'll click what sign in. As you can see, we successfully signed into this section. So let me open the front end section. So I've opened, this is the front end. So let me go back to the dashboard. So after you've come into this section, you can see we have users. Let me go back to the admin section. Let me delete all these users you're seeing. So once you come to users, select all users, check all, and mark for delete and click yes. Okay, so once I go back to the dashboard, you can see there's no users here. So come back to go to more section, then go down to where you have website settings. So go to general settings, and this is where you put in your information. Yeah, you just have to change this to your website link, remove the slash behind it, then here should be your website name. Same thing here. Then you upload your website logos here, and crypto vendor, just leave it that way. Here should be your webmail information. Then after you've done that, click save. Good, so I'll click OK. Then security settings, you can go through this section. Administration settings, you can change your password here also. After you've done that, click save. Image settings, this is very important. So I'm using Hostinger for this video purpose, so mine will be smtp.hostinger.com. Once you create an email account, the very first thing you see in your webmail is your mail configuration settings. So just copy that and put them in the right appropriate place I'm doing. So this is it. So I'll copy my email password. Remember I told you guys to save your email password, your information on the new notepad. So I'll click save. You can also put your logo there for emails. Good. Now this other section is for SendGrid. If you have SendGrid API, or if you have Mailgun API, you can just put them here instead of using email settings. You get it? So next section is, once you come to, you can see we have copy traders. So if I go through these sections, you're saying, let me go back to the home page. Let me sign up as a user. So let me show you guys how the interaction is. So let me just fill out this information real quick. So I fill out all the informations. As you can see, user can select their preferred currency of the choice, which is good. So after you've done this, I'll click what continue. You can see welcome aboard, which is also nice. You just have to be patient while it's load. So definitely I will receive an email. Let me go to my email. I can see. So this is my code 598179. So I'll just put in my code and continue the process. Now these are security settings. You can see the welcome, scrutinizing, you're setting up your account. This is the process, which is so cool, guys. And you can also skip this, but I just want you guys to see how it is. Now, payment timeouts. I'll just go to end this section. So it will redirect you to this section. You get it. Now this is the user environment. You can see this is so nice, guys. It's so nice. It's so nice. So users have different options on what to do here. So I'll show you guys things to go about. So go back to the admin section, go to dashboard. Now this is the user section. Now you can see the account status is inactive. So I'll go to user account status. I'll go to active. Now you can see withdrawal is disabled here. If you go back to the user section, you can see withdrawal inactive. Good. So go back to admin, activate the account first before any other thing. Good. Now you can delete the user here also. Okay. So I'll go back to dashboard. You can see my account status has changed. Now if I go back to user payment method, you can see payment method for this user. Now you can change the payment method in terms of current plan method. User can pay, if they want to mine, they can pay from account balance, or you can say pay through gateway. You can change it for the copy traders. If you want them to pay through gateway, not through their account balance, both for signals, let me just say pay through gateway. Now for this boat and plan, I'll just keep it this way. Meaning users won't be able to use their current balance to make payments for signal, plan, or mining, or copy trading. They have to make another deposit. So I'll just click this as update. Now you can see this is good. So I'll go back to the dashboard section, and this is billing code for this particular user. You can see, which is a TCC and TAP. You can also change this for this particular user. You can add a different code for this user, which is code payment should be manual. I will show you this process. So without further ado, let me go back to the admin, come to more. If you come to website payment settings, now you can see we have different payment settings here. So once you come to website payments, now I just want to tell you guys something. You see this section here, don't bother adding anything here. It won't go. Why? Because there are some things yet to debug on this section. You can add bank payments, but most of them won't go. So the best option here is we have 6 coins, which is Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, we have Theta, Ethereum, and Litecoin. All what you just have to do is you come to Bitcoin, click edit, you change this to your wallet address. Let me upload a QR code here. So the next side, just click on proceed. So there isn't much time to do this, but if you are there, you're able to understand the codes and be able to, if you want to add multiple. But there are 6 main. Now we also have for the Apple Pay, you just have to edit most of all this and say not available for your user. Don't need to delete them. Same thing with your PayPal, you just put your PayPal email, your Google Pay, and also we have for the bank information. So you just have to go through them and edit. Okay. Now everything is just manual here, not automatic. So if you try this, depending on the hosts, it will go. Some hosts won't even allow it. You understand? So the best option here is just to go through and edit most of the information. For instance, I don't need this. I'll just say edit and I'll put here as not available. Okay, I'll click proceed. Good. So let me go back to the user section. Let me go straight to deposit. So this is the deposit section. Now you can see the 6 wallets here. Just in case you added yours and you didn't say it, just know that I told you guys. So once your user comes to this section, right side, click on BTC. Then I'll click on deposit. So if I dev, just go to the deposit section here under dashboard. This is dashboard. Go to deposit section. You'll be able to understand the codes. Okay. Let me just put an amount. Let me say 6,000. Then proceed. Now this process is quite nice. Now this section here, verify wallet address, this is not the wallet, this is just for users to verify. You can say it's wrong wallet. Okay, so if you're a dev, it's sure to change this to just something not available. Okay, you click close. Now you can see the one we changed. Now you can see not available. So these are the main options you just have to change. Okay, these are the main options. Now if user comes to crypto, this is a crypto here. Go to orders. I'll be able to see the orders section. You can edit this also. Now this is for Venmo. Come to admin. Go to where you have Venmo. Now this is just edit it. So to change. If you have all this information like the cash app, put your tag and edit. Come to GPay. You can see the pop up. So it's just the same thing. Now you come to bank transfer, you're able to edit all this and put in your own information. So all these are manual process. Users are able to transfer manually. Come to card and just the same thing. You can put in the card details and make payment with this. Let me just, for instance, let me say something like this, should be 16 and let me just say remember next time or pay. Shows you process, unable to process card, trying to make payment method. You understand? So I'll just go back to crypto. Then I can go through the rest process like this. It will still go if you go through Cash App and click this, it will just go. So go back to crypto and copy this. Then select this and click I've made the transfer. And you see the pop-up how it's reloaded with confirming all this information, which is nice. Let me check my email. You see notification. You can see. So let me go back to the payment section. So once a user comes to this section, they must pass through this payment method. If not, it won't go back. You get it. So I'll just click on, after they've uploaded the payment proof, I'll click on proceed. I can see payment made, which is good. Now this website is more of the standard features, so I'll still explain something you guys to be able to see more. So you have to go through all the process. Now let me go straight to the recent transaction section. So I have to confirm this. Now if you go back to admin, go back to more, go back to website settings. There's something I want you guys to see. Go to general. Now for this live support link, this is your live support link, meaning if you're using any live chats, there's a direct link you just have to put. You also click on it, it takes them to live chats. Same thing for how to buy, same thing here, just do the same thing. Okay, so let me go back to deposit section and admin. If you come to deposit, you can see the amounts and the username. You can see its other assets is etc. See the proof of payment and you click on approve. Good. So once you've approved this, let me go back to dashboard. Now we go back to user dashboard. You can see the deposit and the account balance, latest deposit. This is nice. So I will be going deep down. So if you're in depth getting this script, you just have to be able to check most of the information. If there are things you don't like and things that might not be going through, you just have to set it up, which is easy. You're getting this script meaning you're a dev, so that's just the main truth. Users can add assets. Please, before they can add, they have to purchase a plan. So let me go to subscribe for a plan. Now the minimum plan here. Remember, users can choose a plan with their account balance. Let me just choose a section. Let me say 1,000. I can see the plan has been added. I can see all the information is here. And you can see if I click on details, this is the basic plan. So go back to admin section. If you come to subscription, I can see the plan section for this user. Subscribe on expires on, you get it almost a month plan. To set this up, go to more, come down to package and plans. These are the section. You just have, if you want to add more plans to this or edit this. So if you come to the copy traders, so it's the same process. You edit them and add images, change names and amounts. It's easy, so I won't be going through this process. For the trading bots, it's still the same process, just edit. Then if you come down to signals, these are signals you send to your users, so you just edit. You edit this or add new signals. For instance, let me choose a signal name. Let me say trend. Which signal type? Let me just put fundamental analysis. Price for this is 5,000. Signal duration days is for 5 days. Reliability, let me just check the others. Let me see, reliability here is 95%. Weeks tolerance is 20. Compatibility is let me just say 65. Then I'll click proceed with signal addition. I can see. Good. We've added the trend signals. So that's for signal section. If you come to minus, it's just the same process. You just go through and add. So getting script meaning you're a dev, and most of the editing or adding any customization requires extra font. So I have a reason explaining this. So once you come to endorser, so these are just images you can be able to add an endorser to this. Okay, so let me go back here, and so once I come to copy trading, you can see the traders. Let me just click on copy trader. Now this trader amounts 23. Then I'll click on proceed. Now you can see it takes you to the payment section. Remember, we did that in the admin section. So you just come back to your payment section and make the payment of $23. So users won't be able to use their deposit or account balance to do that. You can set that in admin section. Come back to admin, go to more, go to website settings, go to general settings. Sorry, let's say administrator settings. Okay, sorry, go back to the dashboard, go back to that particular user, go to user payment. Sorry, go to, let's say, so go to user payment method. Remember, we set this here, meaning whatever users is doing, they can pay from account balance. So you just have to set this back to, you can put this as both. Let me just put the signal also as both. So let me just do this section here. So I'll click proceed here for the copy trading. So while this is going, I'll go back to the admin dashboard. Now you understand this process, right? So let me just take this back. Let me just say from account balance, just to shorten the video. Good, I'll click on update this. Good, so I'll go back to our deposits. So let me see, I'll go back to dashboard, go to that particular user. So go to trading. Let's say we don't have yet. So I'll go back to subscription. Let's say this is our subscription. Okay, so let me do that again. Since I've changed the payment section. Okay, sorry, this is it. Once you come to payment, now you can see this section here.
Okay, I found this on the web for this as a pay.
So I'll just go straight to for this is the copy trading section. So I'll click on approve. Good. So this has been approved. Let me go back to subscription. Now you can see the plan here. So this is good. So let me go back to dashboard. So basically I'm taking my time. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my videos. Now you can see this is it. Now the next section here I want to show you guys is the mining section. So let me just click purchase this, for instance. I'll click proceed. Since I'm using for my account balance, I don't need to go through the process gateway anymore. So if I go back to admin, let me see. Let me go to subscription. I can see this is it. So if I come back to what's next, we've done that for the plans. Plan upgrade. Plan upgrade is just, you need to just upgrade the plan again. Let me go back to trading boat. Let's see. So I'm showing you guys the in and out of these features. So let me just choose to subscribe with this and I'll click proceed. Good. What next? Now next is the trading signals. So come to trading signals. So I'm just showing you guys all this script entails. Now this is good. Now if you come to academy learning, all these are just information. So once you click on this, it's locked. So you just have to change all this information. You get it. Good. Now the other step, when it comes to transactions also, be able to see the deposits. We've made one. This is deposit, then we come to orders. Now this is it also, and these are nice. So let me show you guys the trading section. Go to trading. So let me trade. Let me say I want to trade with crypto. Select the assets for choice. Set duration 1 minute. Set your leverage. Put your stop loss. Enable stop loss. Sorry, this is profits and this is the loss. Enable this. So your trade amount, let me say I'm trading with 1,000. Use trading boards, let me say sell. Good. So that is for the trading section. I can see the live trading. So let me go back to admin section. Let me go back to the user dashboard. So if I click on trading, so I can add trades for this particular user. For instance, let me say 300. I'll set this to loss or profit. Let me just set this to profit. Duration leverage, just add something. Dates, trade starts today. Then action is buy. Select the market. Now come down and click on create trade. So definitely this is a win for this particular user. So if I go back to this section, then I reload here. And you can see it's trading. Here is closed because this is win already. So let me go back to the dashboard again. So let me locate dashboard. So come to, let's say we've gone through the trading. I can see this trading here is lost. The user lost this. Okay, any trading user made by themselves is lost. So you get it. So if you go back to the dashboard, let me go to the user dashboard. Now you can see the deduction. Okay, so go back to the user dashboard. So let me show you guys. Let's see. Now you can log in through the user dashboard through this dashboard access. So let's come to transactions. I can see the user's transactions here. Now for the AI trading bots, meaning you'll be trading for the user yourself. That's the benefit for AI trading bots. You are the one trading for the user. Also, you just subscribe to the AI trading bots. You'll be trading for the users, which will become profit or loss. So let's say, okay, how to profit a user. So once you come to credit section, on that particular user, you can just select an amount. Let me say 780. So total profit. Then let me say which plan, copy trading profit. Then if you say notify the user, to notify the user that I'll click proceed. Good. I can also crypto credit. Let's see, you can credit the user through crypto. Let me select 500 BTC. You select the assets. Remember, we have all this. So I'm going to say Bitcoin. Okay. Notify users to proceed with crypto credit. Meaning you can credit them through crypto or normal USDT. So go back to the dashboard. Now you can see the profit we added. You can see this, right? So this is good. Now users could come for demo trading. Now this is for demo trading. Users will be able to trade demo. And also we've done this for the signal trading. The signal, the AI trading, everything goes together. Now trading history. Okay, this is the trading history. You can see, users can see their losses. So if I come to let me go to portfolio. I can see the 500 we added, right? So definitely user can swap this. You get it. Users can use this, which is also nice. That is from BTC to USDT. So this is how it works. And the exchange rate here is 20%. Users can come to market. So basically we've touched everything about this website. So go back to admin section, go back to dashboard. Now if you go to KYC, and this is unverified. Okay, this is unverified. And there is no information here and you can't approve this. So go back to the dashboard. Let's see what's next. We haven't done. Now this is for billing codes. Okay. Now for the account status, so go back to wallet status, let's say. Now for wallet connection options, now not connected, you can see all the display. Change wallet connection to, let's say, not connected. Force wallet connection, yes. Do you want users to force to connect the wallet? Yes. Do you want to display wallet connection button? Yes. Click proceed. Now once I come back to the admin, let me reload this section. Now you can see, please connect your portfolio. So let me resolve issue. Users have to click on resolve issue. Okay, so they have to select their wallets to connect to. So let me just use any of these and click on Binance, for instance. Then users will just come and click on connect manually and input the phrases. So I'll just come and click this and proceed. So it also has connect wallet, which is nice. Then it states it needs the user password. Let me just put this. Now click on proceed. I can see wallet connection initiated successfully. Now it will enable users to come back to the home, so you just have to force. You can see the process saying this. I'll go back to admin, reload this section. You can see it here, and you can approve this section. You get it? Once I reload this home section, you can see. So this is it. Now for the other section here, you go back to admin, Go back to dashboard. So if you come back to this section here, it's still processing. Just come and say connected. Just have to put connected and say OK. So go back here again. The status now will change to connected. You get it? So you go back to dashboard. Now if you come to notification, you can also notify users. Let me say hello, for instance, and click proceed. Go back to the dashboard and reload. I can see notification here. So what I'm just showing you guys is the in and out of this platform and why it is essential to get this script from me, which is good. Now this portfolio section, you can see your portfolio or the user portfolio, meaning the trading with the assets, the various assets. So if you come to the billing codes, these are the billing code and these are the amounts for the billing code. So go back to dashboard. Let me show you guys the withdrawal section. So if you come to dashboard, user section, go to withdraw. Since the account is active, definitely the withdrawal is active. You can also disable withdrawal for this particular user. So if you want to disable withdrawal, come to account status. Just say withdrawal disable and proceed. Take this, go back here, go back to home. Let me see. So if you continue, let me just continue this process. Select and put in my wallet. Let me say 500 and proceed. So we have to complete the KYC information. So let me click complete ID. So let me just fill out this information. So I'll fill out this information, I'll click continue. So I'll select any of the information and just say, let me just backdate this and so let me upload the image. Good, so I'll click what proceed. So I'll go back to the admin dashboard. Okay, let's see. Go back to admin, go back to dashboard, go back to that particular user, click on KYC. You can see the information processing, then click what approve. So once I come back here, now you can see it has been approved. So let me go back to let me reload this profile section. You can see verified. This subscription, users can be able to see all their subscription. You can see it and also the referrals. Good. So let me go back to the withdrawal section. So I ensure to make this video longer so you guys are able to understand what I'm doing, and just in case you get this, you're able to understand better. So let me just click on to proceed. You can select any other method. Now you are unable to withdraw. You get it, meaning it has been disabled. So I'll go back to admin section, back to account status, and go back to active, proceed. So you just have to go through all this yourself to be able to understand it better. So users can come here and put in bank information on payment and cash app. Let me just say PayPal. Put in email. Let me just go back here and select and proceed. Good. So this requires them to put a tab code, and to get this is 23. So what was a click here takes them to this section. So the amount has been stipulated here, so they have to make this. Let me click on proceed. So this will take them to payment gateway. So I'll close this and just select and continue. So I'll just come here and click on proceed. Good. So this will have to take us to the next section. So let me go back to admin, go back to dashboard. Let me check for payment. So I'll approve this. You can also change this amount in your admin settings. Good. So if you come to more, come to website settings, go to general settings. Now this is the amount. You can also change this amount, depend on you. So go back to dashboard, go back to withdraw again. So we just got to do the same process. Then I'll come here and just put the same amount, proceed. Now I have to put in the code here. So I'll go back to dashboard, go to billing codes. Now these are the codes, so you can edit this. For instance, you can edit this section. Code payment is automatic, not manual. Code type, fixed amount, you get it. You can change all this if you want. So let me just go back. So I'll copy this and I'll paste and submit. For the next option also, I won't go through that same process. I'll just come here and copy this and I'll just paste this. Sorry. Now click submit. Okay, TCC. Okay, this shows unpaid. So let me just say approved. Now, the moment I approve this, it shows paid, right? So I'll go back here again and paste the same code and submit. You can see a withdrawal is being processed. You can also come back to admin section and edit this and change this to unpaid, then change the codes and go back. I can see. So once I go to admin, I go to withdrawals, I'll click on approve. So you've sent out the funds to the user. I'll go back to the home page and reload. Now you can see how it is. Now I took my time to explain the whole important features about this platform before you get it. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube platform. See you guys in the next video.